In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create document folders in Pandadoc. Organizing your documents is key to keeping your workspace clean and easy to manage, especially as your library of files starts to grow. In Pandadoc, folders make it simple to separate things like proposals, contracts, templates, and internal documents so you can quickly find exactly what you need. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create folders using the latest Pandadoc interface, and I'll explain a few tips along the way so you can set things up in a way that works best for you and your team. First, open Pandadoc and look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical navigation sidebar. This is where you can jump between different parts of your account. To work with your existing files, click on the Documents icon if you're organizing sent or in-progress documents, or click on the Templates icon if you're organizing reusable templates. The folder process works the same in both areas, so choose the one that makes sense for what you want to organize right now. Once you're inside either the Documents or Templates section, move your attention to the top of the list of items. Here, you should see an option labeled Add, or a plus icon with the label New Folder beside it. This is your main control for creating new folders. Go ahead and click that plus icon or the Add button. As soon as you do, Pandadoc will open a small prompt or dialog where you can define your new folder. In this prompt, you'll be asked to type a name for your folder. Choose something clear and specific so you'll know exactly what belongs there later. For example, you might use names like Signed Contracts, Q1 Proposals, or HR Templates. Think about how your team searches for documents and try to mirror that structure in your folder names. Once you've typed in the folder name, confirm the creation by clicking Create or Save, depending on which button is shown in your version of the interface. After you click that button, your new folder will appear in the list. From here, you can start moving existing documents or templates into it, or simply keep it ready for future files. Over time, creating folders for different projects, clients, or document types will make it much faster to navigate your Pandadoc account and keep everything neatly organized.